Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Agarwal and I want to welcome all of you to my weekly video update. In this quick Q&A type of a video, I'm going to share with you a very fascinating question I received from one of my viewers on the YouTube channel. They are fully vaccinated, but on a Friday evening, they started experiencing severe COVID-19 like symptoms. They felt pretty bad. Saturday morning, they did a BinaxNOW, which is a rapid antigen test, and it came out negative. Saturday afternoon, they did an Ellume test, which is also a rapid antigen test, and that came out positive. By Sunday morning, their symptoms were gone and they started feeling fine. So on Monday, they go and do a PCR test just to be sure, and that's the right thing to do. They did all the right things. That PCR test comes out negative. What does it mean? That's what they're asking. But they're sharing a little bit of a thought process, and it was fascinating. They wondered if Ellume was actually a true positive and the vaccine actually helped them fight the infection very quickly so that their symptoms went away within a single day. And that's why the viral load was so low that the RT-PCR on Monday gave them a negative result. It is certainly a possibility, although I still have not found data that talks about average number of days among vaccinated people it takes for them to recover, or at least recover from symptoms after they are reinfected. I have not seen that data, but I have read a lot, and all reports are saying that even for Delta variant, if a fully vaccinated person gets reinfected, their viral load decreases faster. They recover faster. We don't know how fast. And could it be as quick as one day? We don't know that yet. I still have to dig through that data. And if I find it, I promise I'll bring it to you. But we know recovery is faster, and the likelihood of them getting really sick or hospitalized is also very low. So it is quite possible that this happened. But there's also another possibility that it wasn't COVID-19. It was some other viral infection. And maybe one of the rapid antigen test result was a false positive. It is not uncommon. I've talked about false positives from antigen tests all the time. So it is not uncommon. It could be possible too. Bottom line, the vaccines are highly effective, even against Delta variant. And all the information that we are reading is telling us that even if you are reinfected after receiving the vaccine with Delta variant, you will start with a high viral load, no doubt. It will be similar to those who are unvaccinated. But your viral load will decrease much more quickly. You are likely to recover much more quickly, and you are very less likely to find yourself in a hospital with an ICU type of a severe emergency. It can happen, especially among immunocompromised people. That's why you should continue to take precautions. So what did I tell this person? I shared my thoughts with them, and I said, even if you feel you recovered from COVID quickly, please be cautious, because you might still be carrying virus or traces of virus in your system and may potentially infect people around you. So continue to take precautions, especially if you are out and about or close to your loved ones. Wear a mask. Take precautions. There's no reason to say that, hey, I recovered and I'm not infectious anymore. Most likely you are. That's what I told them. Bottom line, this is fascinating and we are learning a lot as we go. And I'm going to share this information with you as much as possible, as quickly as possible. Tell me what you guys think. What would be your explanation for this scenario? And if you like these types of videos, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share your questions and comments in the comments below. I love to hear from you, and I really hope and wish that all of you are continuing to stay safe. Let me know what's on your mind. Take care.